Hey guys, what's up? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great day. Before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. All right, guys, I'm back with Discover Heal. I'm not going to go into all the details on the program because this is an update. But I will put the link below so that you can go check it out at your leisure and see what it's all about. Now, about 2 weeks ago, Discover Heal came out with a new course called 7 Ways to Win. Okay, it's a new course. It's only $7. Okay, it's a 7-day, 7-video series course. Okay, and it's a great way to get started. All right. Since then, they have made some updates, some great updates. We've got some more capture pages. The new landing page has been updated. Everything looks great. I must say, as I've said before, Discover Heal has great production with everything they do, far as all the sales pages, all the material. This is not rehashed marketing material. This is original, authentic content that you're getting here. Great quality. Okay, so that's the great thing I like about it. It's not a cookie cutter system that you're going to see out there with anybody else. Okay, so but what I'm going to do is just show you the updates that we have here, and with this gives you more actually marketing. Okay, because you have more capture pages that you can go out here and share. You can send traffic to get leads into your system and start getting you some signups with the program. Okay, so let me show you that the 7 Ways to Win updates. Okay, so if we go in the back office under the capture pages, I believe it's, let's see, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 capture pages, guys. So let me show you what they all look like. Okay, 6 capture pages. Okay, there's one. There's another one. This is a great one. I sent some traffic over to this one. So remember, that's what you can do. And it also has a link where you can post them to Facebook as well. Okay, so there's one. These are great pages. And I like this one too. Ready to make serious money from home. And then you click there and then it gives you this question. What is your primary monthly income goal? Okay. So these are some great pages that they've added. And they've updated the sales page as well. Okay. Here's the sales page. Okay. And as you can see, a clock right here is counting down. Like I mentioned, it's $7 now. I don't know if or when that price will change, guys, so I will grab it. It's only $7. Okay, and you get some great content from the owner, Steven himself. With this program, you're getting coaching. Okay, so that's the biggest thing. If I would have had something where I had someone actually within the program doing the coaching, telling me what to do, I could have gotten further ahead. So you're getting that with Heal, Discover Heal. You're getting coaching. You're getting the marketing. You're getting everything you normally would need in an online business. It's all under one roof. This is a network marketing company. This is not the instant pay programs you normally see me promote, but this is your, it encompasses residual income. So when someone joins you guys and they join the Discover Heal VIP for $49 a month, you're going to make residual income from that, $16 a month from everyone that joins you in that. Then they have weekly pay as well on different other digital products. Just think 3 people, if you refer 3 VIPs, that $49 is paid for. So you're not even paying for it. And you get paid 7 ways with it. But again, I'm going to put the link below for that. But we're talking about the 7 Ways to Win course. Okay. Let's take a look at that page. Okay, here's the page. It has a countdown on this page. 7 ways for you to win. Step-by-step training on exactly how to set up your own money-making business from home. Okay? Teaches you how to make money online. Okay? So you get these 7 courses in here. 7 video courses. I'm just showing you the page and what it looks like. Great. I mean, like I said, quality, top-notch content. The website looks great. You get the website as well. You get a back office so you can track all your new members, your sales, all your marketing. I'm going to take you over there and let you look at that in a second. He's got 3 bonuses with this. Okay. One-on-one coaching, mastery action plan, and turnkey global business. Okay. We're still on the sales page. Okay. Isn't this nice? The colors pop. I mean, it's some great production that he has with this. Okay, again, he breaks down the courses here, the 7 courses. This is video courses, okay? So he'll be coming on and speaking out to you. And again, only $7, guys. I mean, you have nothing to lose. $7. You can't pretty much get can you get a Starbucks coffee for less than $7 nowadays? Probably not. Okay. So, want to start making money in the online space? This is a good program to get started and to earn some residual income. That's one of the biggest things. And then they have the products, the one-time cost products that you can purchase as well. Okay. So, again, I'm going to put the link below for 7 ways to win. Go ahead and check this course out. $7. That's all it is. Okay, let's go over here and I'm going to show you the back office. Hang on a second. Now, it's digital products that we're talking about. Of course, they have physical products as well, but we're talking about the digital products. These are courses to teach you how to market online. You have anywhere from, let me show you the VIP real quick. I highly recommend that VIP so you can earn that residual month after month. Look at everything that comes in the suitcase coach to be a VIP, okay? You got your health, motivation, mindset, building your business, personal growth, community, okay? Education. These are all the things you need that encompasses you as a human being, okay? You've got to have your mindset right? You got to have great health. You got to be in good health to even operate a business. You got to stay motivated. All those things, okay? So they're all under one roof with the VIP, okay? But the 7 ways to win, back to that, $7. Here it is right here. As you can see, I have all the digital products, okay? Right here to my left. So let's go take a look. Okay, 7 ways to win is right here. Access your course, and here's your courses right here, guys. All right. So, just want to show you the new updates. Oh, they also have a they pay every Friday, so you can get the Heal VIP card. Let me show you the card. Okay, I've got my card. See it? Okay, your commissions go on your card. Okay, so every Friday they have that, and you can just have your money added onto your card. Let me show you that online as well. Okay, here it is right here. Your personal Heal VIP debit card. Your commissions can go on there. It's Visa, so wherever Visa is accepted, you can use it to pay bills, whatever you want. Your money will go right on your card. Okay, so it's an awesome program to get started in. And like I said, you can start with the 7 ways to win for only $7. If you're interested in learning how to earn money on a monthly basis, residual, passive income, and weekly income, go ahead and get the VIP coach. Okay, So what I'm going to do is put the links below for both of these. I want you to check them out. Meanwhile, I got something I want you to take a look at. This is a part of Discover Heal as well. And I thought it was very inspirational. Check it out.
Great day to get back into the swing of things. Today's a great day to re-immerse yourself into the vision of what we're doing. Today is the day to go bigger than ever before, because so many people are winning now. We've got momentum on our side. The tide is in our favor. You know, and when that happens, you have to strike and you have to experience it in fullness. You can't let doubt or insecurity or past struggles come in your way and stop you. You're bigger than that. You're greater than that. You have more inside of you. You've endured so much already. And gosh, I'm so grateful that we created something that's sustainable, has powerful transparency, that we've connected it with vulnerability and stories, that you have a story, and your story is something that should be shared with many others. So grateful to have you. Everything is in place now for you to win on entry-level products, on, you know, high-ticket products, on coaching, on epic experiences, events, shirts, plant-based immune system products, botanical beauty products. The message is in our favor. All things have aligned for us to win right now. And this is a very rare moment. Think about all the times, all the businesses that you've ever marketed in your life. How it's hard to get alignment. It's really tough to get that momentum in your favor. And have you ever had an experience in your life when everything was in place but you weren't? And you just knew it. You're like, I just feel so disconnected, but everybody else is winning. I don't want that to happen to you. So I want you to re-engage, dive back in, learn again, log in, share again, buy more products, build your belief level through experience, because this is the golden moment for all of us to win bigger than ever before. And as I said, dream bigger, dream now. It's time to heal. Every second of every minute of every hour of every day, it's on you.
All right, guys, go ahead and join the program. I'm going to put the link below for you to get started with me and Discover Heal. You're going to love it. You're going to love the community. You're going to love everything about it. So start with 7 ways to win and go through each module, okay? I listen to them over and over. All this training is great. I mean, like I said, from the mindset all the way down to actually starting your business, okay? So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys on the inside. Look forward to working with you and Discover Heal. You guys have a blessed day.